Good Saturday morning, y'all. I have a friend of mine sent these for me to give away for the next two Saturday morning egg giveaways. His name is Cav Trooper Munoz, and in the Show More section I will leave a link to his channel. He does some really awesome work, and I'm going to give one or the other away today and the other one away next week. I have another friend that gave me some lighter pine, and I'll be giving some of that away, but I got to get it cut up into small pieces first. So thank you, Cav Trooper Munoz, and my friend Rob, Just Plain Common Sense. Thanks for the lighter pine. So let's get to the drawing. This is last week's video, and still, this is the best tasting thing I have ever cooked. I'm gonna copy it, gonna paste it, "58 comments, Kimmy's 991. You get either one of these, the black or the red. What's brown? Reddish brown. Here. So just let me know which one you would like, and if you would, please send me your mailing address to bctruck@gmail.com. All right, let's get on with the egg. Thanks again to Cav Trooper Munoz. All right, I'm making a egg frittata, and this egg frittata is going to have potato and onion and cheese. I've got some olive oil in my pan. I'm going to cut this up and get it in my pan and get these vegetables soft. This here knife, this is my favorite knife. I use this knife because I like it. I use it for everything. Is it the correct knife? God only knows. But it's a knife I use, and it's a knife I like, and by God, it's a knife I'm going to continue using no matter who says otherwise. Yeah, there was a discussion last week about my knife on last week's video. That kind of blew me away that anybody would think it was so important they tell me what knife I should be using. Some people have no limits to the level of pushiness. Their pushiness limiting switch doesn't work. Alrighty, now we're fixing to go put these on the stove and get them all softened up. We'll be right back. Alright, I got my potatoes and onions softening up. I got 7 eggs beat in this here. Why 7? Because 7 is what I had. I was going to use 10, but 7's all I had. So, alright, by the time I finish my coffee, those ought to be cooked. Alright, those are cooked. I'm fixing to dump my eggs in there. And I'm going to get them partially cooked on the bottom. the meantime, I've had my broiler on for about 10 minutes. I'm getting that oven good and hot. Give this just another second or two. All right, now put some cheese on this. This is mozzarella cheese. You can use whatever cheese you like. Okay, now I'm fixing to pop this in the broiler for about 2 minutes. Where's that light? There we go. I think about 2 minutes. I'll let you know in a second. I gotta keep an eye on it. All right, it was about 4 minutes or so. Yeah, baby. Does that look good or what? I'm gonna let that cool and cut me out a piece. We'll be right back as soon as it cools down. All right, I put it on a plate to cool it down a little quicker. Now I'm gonna cut me a piece of that. Oh yeah, what do you think of that? Here we go. Oh yeah, man, that's good. Got to put some of this on it. Just a little. My God, that's good. All right, y'all. Egg frittata. I use 1 onion, 1 potato, 7 eggs. About 3.5 to 4 minutes in the broiler. Oh God, that's good. Thanks for watching, y'all. See you next week.